Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube land. How is everybody out there this fine morning? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe. And I hope you're keeping warm because today it is like already in the 40s, like 47 degrees. It's going to be 53 for the high. So, I mean, that sounds fantastical. If that's even a word. But this is really what is causing it. Unfortunately, what has given us our warm weather today is this dreariness outside. It is foggy, definitely overcast, but that's probably what's holding the heat down. So, what's the guy gonna do? So, yeah, it's dreary out there, it's overcast, it's dark. Hard to get up on a day like this. All you want to do is really sleep, but what do? You keep on moving on. Alright guys, so got some housekeeping to do this morning. Got a few shout outs I want to do. And by the way, as a subscriber, as a viewer, if you ever want a shout out for a birthday or something like that, just let me know. Brian Higg, 25, contacted me and asked me for a shout out. He's been with us since the 100 subscriber range. Brian, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you. I'm happy to give you a shout out, and you know, thanks for being a part of this. I just really appreciate you being there for the last, 500 subscribers. Through the growth. Thanks for hanging in there. So thank you for that. Also to Darren Curry. Man, this guy is awesome. Darren is always there. He's always helping promote other channels, my channel. Anyway, I was watching Tucker Upper, and he gave Jackpot Digger a shout out. And he says, you know, if any of you other channels are trying to get to 1,000, you know, let me know. I asked him for a shout out, and Darren Curry, he posted on there. He says, Shane, I already asked him. I already asked Tucker Upper to give you a shout out. So I was like, all right, well, that's awesome. That's good because maybe he'll do it. So I don't know. I'm going to be watching closely at Tucker Upper's next couple videos and see if he happens to give me a shout out or not. And then we got Paul. This goes by Paul. Asked me to give a shout out to Scrapping for Silver. And, you know, give this guy a try. Now, I don't, when people ask me to shout out for a channel, I usually make sure that I like their content, or if it's something related to what you're probably already interested in if you're watching me. Like, I wouldn't give a shout out to someone doing a makeup channel or, you know, that sort of thing. But this guy does do scrapping, and he's got a big project coming up, but he's kind of, I think he's funny, and I don't know if he means to be funny, so, you know, take that with a grain of salt. But he starts off every video with, hey everybody, this is Tater. And so I don't know, I find him enjoyable. I don't think his videos are terribly long. You know, see if he is in your taste category or your interest category. You know, and anyway, I subscribe to him, and I'm just going to kind of keep watching, because every time I hear him say that, hey everybody, this is Tater, I just laugh because I think it's just cute. So anyway, that's it. That's it for the shout outs. Let's get to work. So check it out. The sun has come out. The clouds are going away. We are going to have a beautiful day today. It's 56 degrees out. Perfect day to do a final clean out of the van and get all my copper together and run down and do a copper run. Well, you see that flashing back there? Yeah, I'm getting a ticket for expired plates, which is surprising. I didn't know they expired, but it is what it is. All part of the dream. Okay, so I got a scheduled violation fee for $50, a criminal surcharge fee, which it's like whatever, $17.50. I don't know what the hell that even means. Court cost of $60 for a total $127.50. I have to appear in court on the 26th with my registration, and he says the judge will probably drop it down to just $60 for court costs. That way it won't appear on my record. is what it is. I hate going to court, but what are you going to do? Okay, guys, it's nice and sunny and warm out here today. Going through the van, cleaning it out as quickly as I can, little by little. I want to show you this, just a big piece of copper. I pulled them out of that one dumpster with the computer equipment, and there's, you know, like 5 or 6 of them here. So I took, you know, these two were connected together, and I don't know what this thing is, but this block turned out to be aluminum. It's a nice big chunk of aluminum there, and there's 2 or 3 other ones here, plus these guys here. So I need to look and see if this fine protector made in Switzerland has got any value on its own. If not, it'll go in my aluminum pile. Well, I'm almost done going through the car, or through the van. Just wanted to show you this thing, this barrel, or this, I don't know, this trash can here. It's a 32-gallon trash can. It's full of wires over the top. Plus it's got some of that other copper right there. So we're going to take that down here to the junkyard and see what it is all worth. Okay, guys, we had 93 pounds of number 2. And then those 4 little plates that I showed you, little L bracket looking things, $4.60. Those are $1 a piece. That's crazy, dude. Wow, awesome. All right, anyway, yeah, $51.50, definitely the best I've ever done. I've never been over, you know, I mean, I hit $40 the other day, but that was probably the highest before that. Never been over $50 for scrap. So yeah, very stoked. That's awesome. So yeah, this just happened. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I just got pulled over again today. Got pulled over yesterday, just got pulled over today. Good morning, YouTube land. How is everybody out there this fine morning? Yes, that happened. I got pulled over the second day for expired plates. I had not been able to make it to the DMV yet, which I will today. It was just a warning. So, what are you gonna do when they come for you? Well, guys, I got some good news. We got 701 subscribers today.
1,000 times yes!
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 Very excited about that. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to subscribe, for watching these videos, for leaving in the comments, for engaging with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me that you guys are subscribing to this channel. We will be at 1,000 before we know it, and maybe finally get this sucker monetized. We'll see. But the sun is out. The day is a beautiful day, and I thought we'd go do a little dumpster dive. Right. Anything good today? Not seeing much. Oh, cute kitty post. Look at that. It's in pretty good shape too. Let's get rid of the cat. That's too bad. That is really nice, man. Look at that. Oh, look at it. It goes down in the middle. Oh. There, I want to grab. Oh, there's a sink over there. You see that? Some more shred. Yeah, so I did not get that sink. It was too far away, and if you're new to this channel, you may not know this, but if you're new, I do not get in the dumpsters. I absolutely refuse to do that. I've seen way too much busted glass, sharp objects, things like that you can get yourself cut on, and 25 cents worth of metal, it's not worth that $300 doctor bill. That's a coon or something right there. See, stomach's moving. That or some cat. Huh. The other day I got a comment from somebody in the UK, and on my other video where I saw a coon, and he said you cannot say coon in the UK or you will get your butt kicked. Apparently it's a derogatory term over there or something like that. Don't know if I mentioned this the other day, but Uberism81 subscribed to the channel, and it's really meant the world to me because I really like his stuff. See anything in here either. So wow, really crappy dumpster diving day. I think we're gonna go to a thrift store instead. So I wasn't too thrilled with the way dumpster diving was going, so let's go take a look around here and see if we can find some toys or t-shirts or something. Alright guys, well, I got 4 hats there. I'm pretty happy with that. Sorry the dumpster diving wasn't more exciting. I'm going to go get some lunch, maybe across the street at Arby's. I say that as a joke because there's a lot of people that chimed in. They don't like Arby's. I was surprised. So anyway guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, keep warm, and we will definitely see you at the next dumpster. Take care everybody. Bye-bye.